I'm just waking up Monday morning, ready to start this $500 March challenge. We're gonna be trying to invest $500 in the month of March, see how high we can get it, and have the potential to go to nothing as well. So it's 6:15 a.m. and just looking at some of the market news. I'm excited to get started with this day trading project. I haven't done much day trading. I'm clearly a little bit tired at the moment, but let's get to it. I'm excited. It's March 1st. I have till the end of March to do what I can with this $500. So let's make it happen. Here we go. So I'm currently working to figure out WeBull, which is the platform that I'm going to be using for this $500 day trading challenge. I'm figuring it out. I'm excited to get started. Obviously, I don't know too much about day trading. My philosophy has always been more of a long-term investment philosophy. So I follow the market, buy into indexes, pay low fees. But I'm excited about this challenge. But as I'm figuring it out, I have an open order for a stock called Comms. There was some news that just came out that they acquired Sky Sapiens, which is an expanded tethered drone product portfolio. So I don't know exactly what that means, but I also follow some people called Atlas Trading. And so I've been kind of watching what they've been doing. I've been seeing that throughout the morning. I'm trying to buy on extended hours. And so I'm figuring that piece of the puzzle out. I have an open order for Comms, C-O-M-S, at 387. I believe it's dipped below 387 in extended hours a couple times, so not exactly sure why that order is still open. If anybody has any answers to that, maybe let me know. But figuring it out, making my first stock purchase for the $500 challenge. It is Comms, C-O-M-S. If I get it, I have a limit placed on the order, so not sure if I'll get it or not. But the limit's at 387. Right now, after hours, it looks like it just went down to 379 or 38. So hoping that went through. If it's gonna be a good one. If it's not gonna be a good one, I hope it didn't go through. Who knows? Time will tell. But that's your little update for now. Let's continue learning. So I just sold my first stock of this day trading challenge. I sold a stock called SOS. I bought it for $665. I sold it for $694. I actually tried to sell it when it was up to $724, which would have been a nice little gain, but it didn't allow me to. Not sure if it's because I had a stop loss open or what was going on there. It looks like it's pretty volatile today, so it's up and down. It's currently at 683. If it goes down quite a bit more, maybe I buy back in. Maybe I try to ride that volatility and sell it again for a little bit of a gain, but just made my first sale. ATNX right now is down and Comms is down, but SOS made a nice little sale on that. So that's the quick update. It is about 8 a.m. mid-morning, so we're looking good. It's been fun so far. Just added some shares of a company called Longeveron, LGVN on the stock ticker. I bought in at 870, currently at 890. Gonna see if it can hopefully hold on to some of that. Momentum going upward. I'm seeing some of the Atlas trading guys are saying that it might go over 10. It's anyone's guess, I'm sure. But looking at some of the numbers, I like it as a pick. We'll see how it goes. Quick update, I just bought back into SOS. It was at 678. It's now at about 683. So I'm kind of hoping that it goes back up again. Might get another quick sale, make a little bit of money on that one. ATNX and Comms are still down a little bit, so we'll see how it goes. And LGVN is now down. It's now down to 841. So shows how quickly things can change. I had a nice little gain had I sold it on the day trade, but I didn't, and now it's down to 841. So not sure if it'll recover, if it'll come back up. Not going to do anything hasty. I'm not going to sell at a loss quite yet, but we're going to continue to watch it because I would have loved to have sold it at the high point, but can't always do that. Day one, lots of learning. All right, I finished up for the morning. I have traded a little bit. I've tried to figure out WeBull and kind of make sure that I'm doing the right things. I'm not violating any protocols or any policies that they have. But this morning, this was the first day of the $500 day trading challenge in the month of March. I bought several different things. These are kind of the list, the rundown of what I bought. I bought COMS, C-O-M-S, ATNX, SOS, and I actually bought that twice because I sold it. LGVN, ATOS, AMPG, and VTNR. So I know those are just a lot of letters, but this is day one. And so I actually was trying to go back in and buy a little more of SOS because I feel like the volatility was pushing it up and down. The first time I bought it at 665. I sold it at 694. And then I bought it again at 678. And then I sold it at 688. And so I was kind of taking advantage of some of those ups and downs. Not exactly sure if that's how day traders do it. I'm still learning, still growing, still figuring this all out. I also bought ATOS at 298. I sold it at 305. I just took a little profit on that. I wasn't too comfortable with the stock as a whole, so I figured I'd just get in, get out, make a little bit of money, like a very little bit of money. And then the things I'm holding are COMS. I bought that at 387. It's not doing the greatest. It's at 3.6. Holding that for a little longer. I do have a stop loss on that, so if it goes down too far, it'll automatically sell. I'll get that money, make sure I'm trading again. ATNX, I bought at 591. Currently, that is at 589, so it's kind of just like stable in that area. LGVN, I bought at 870. That is currently at 843, so that's not doing so well. And then AMPG is at I bought that at 871, and that is currently at 871. So we're right where we bought it at. I did buy VTNR as well towards the end. I bought that for $1.92. That's currently at $1.89. So that's down a little bit as well. Gonna be watching them throughout the day, but that's my quick update for you. I bought some, I sold some. I did try to buy SOS again, but because the funds haven't settled in my account, I wasn't gonna be able to just quickly day trade those. So I might have to wait 2 extra days to make sure that I can day trade that again. And maybe it'll be a different stock when I get that back up and running. So that's my morning update. It is March 1st. We are at the very beginning of the 30-day, is it 30 days in March? I can't remember, but we're at the very beginning of the $500 day trading challenge in March. I'm excited. I'm learning a lot. I hope you're gonna learn a lot throughout the course of this. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Teaching You Money, to get all of these videos as I move day to day, tell you what I'm buying and selling, and learn a lot about day trading. So that's it for today. I'm excited. I'm moving forward. It's March 1st. We're gonna do this, whether we win, whether we lose. Let's see what we get the $500 up to or down to by the end of the month. So thanks for tuning in, and I will see you again very soon.